channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. First, let me thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Your support means everything to me. I really appreciate it. And if you want to be a part of the Time with April family, then don't forget to hit that subscriber button and don't forget that notification bell to get a lot more videos, and you'll be the first to be notified every time I upload a video. So with Thanksgiving just around the corner, and I know there's some of you guys that may not be in the mood for turkey, but I'm going to give you an alternative dish or maybe a side dish that you can enjoy this holiday season, and it's really great, it's really delicious, and it's super easy. And if you want to see what I mean and how to make it, then just keep watching. I'm going to begin by cutting a pound of skinless chicken breast into cubes. And I have 2 medium broccoli heads, and I went ahead and chopped them into florets. I also have 4 cups of cauliflower rice. I'm also going to use 3 cups of shredded cheddar and mozzarella cheese, an 8-ounce container of sour cream, and I'm going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to season it up with a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. So over medium heat, I went ahead and warmed up some olive oil, and now I'm just going to brown up my chicken and just make sure it gets brown on all sides. And I'm going to season it with some salt and some black pepper. So here I am, I just grabbed a spoon and I'm just going to mix up my chicken, just toss it around, making sure that again is brown on all sides. And don't worry if it doesn't cook all the way on the stovetop, because it's going to finish cooking when you bake it in the oven. So after about 5 minutes, I finished browning up my chicken, and now I'm ready to add it to a large bowl. I'm going to go ahead and add the cauliflower rice along with my fresh broccoli. Now I'm ready to add my seasoning with some garlic powder along with some onion powder. I've already melted, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the butter. So now I'm just going to grab my spoon and I'm going to give it a nice big mix. So I'm not done. For some extra creaminess, I'm going to go ahead and add my 8-ounce container of sour cream. And I'm going to add around a cup and a half of shredded cheese. So again, I'm going to give it another big stir. I just want to make sure that everything is coated really well with the sour cream and the cheese. Just to make sure that it's seasoned really well, I'm going to add some salt and some black pepper. And this is where you begin to smell everything come together. You're going to really begin to smell the onion powder and the garlic. Now that's done, I'm going to move over to the baking dish that I've already sprayed down with some nonstick spray so that it doesn't stick, and I'm just going to pile everything into the baking dish. So I'm just going to take my spoon and I'm just going to pat it down just a little bit so that when it bakes evenly. And now I'm just going to top it off with my last cup and a half of cheese. If you would like to add more, that's completely up to you. So I went ahead and I preheated my oven at 400 degrees, and I'm going to bake it off for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, your casserole is going to come out beautiful, golden brown, and you're really going to smell the garlic and onion powder. And of course, the best time to enjoy your casserole is when it's nice and hot, but be careful not to burn yourself with all that gooey cheese. So definitely try to make this dish this holiday season. It's really super easy, and if you've noticed, it's also keto friendly. And that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and share this video with everybody you know. And if you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see another video, then go ahead and click that box you see on the screen. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.